Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Krista. Today I'm going to be doing this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup tutorial. I saw this look on her Instagram and I absolutely love it, and then this is also how she did her hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that as well. So if you want to see this, then just continue to keep watching. So first I'm going to be going in with this Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette, and I'm taking that yellow shade there. It's called Daybreak, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease, and then I'm also going to bring it on the eyelid as well. For the lid shade, I'm going to be going in with the shade Sun. It's this really pretty gold shimmery shade, and I'm just packing that on with my fingers. And I'm just going to blend those two shades together. I'm going to be going in with the Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm taking this pink shade which is called Lucid Dreams, and then I'm going to take this angled brush and I'm going to be creating a winged liner with this. As you saw, I did wet down my brush and I did end up applying tape to help me with precision, and here I'm just filling this in and then I bring it all the way in the inner corner. I'm going in with two different mascaras. I'm using the Mega Length Mascara by Wet n Wild, and then I'm using the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Extensions Mascara. Sometimes I just feel like it works better when you use two. I'm going in with lashes. These are very natural. I did get these from the dollar store and I actually really liked them. Going in with some primer. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh Primer. In with a foundation, I'm taking this Revlon Candid Glow foundation and I'm mixing that with my Stay Naked Weightless Liquid foundation. This one I have in the shade 30CG, and the Revlon one I have in the shade 120. I did do foundation reviews on both of these, so if you guys want to see that, I will go ahead and link that. Now I'm going in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I have mine in the shade NC20. And I like to apply this with a brush. This is super full coverage. I used to use this all the time and I'm so happy that I picked it up again. Now I'm just going to be blending that out with my EcoTools Beauty Blender. I love this one. But yeah, you guys will see the coverage of this concealer is just everything. For contour, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and I have mine in the shade Almond. I haven't used this in so long, but I really love it. I'm glad I used it again. Now I'm going to be going in and setting my face with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Pound Cake. I'm just taking my blender to set these areas, and then when I'm all done, I'm going to sweep it away with a brush. Then I'm going to bronze the face up using the Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'm just setting that in all the areas where I contoured. Now I'm going in and coating my lower lashes. I'm just using that same Wet n Wild mascara. Next, we're going to be going in with some blush. This is the Milani Big Blush in Luminoso. I'm sure you have heard of this one before. Now I'm going in with highlighter. I'm going to be taking my Becca Cosmetics Pearl Glow Luster Glow Powder. I also did a video reviewing this. I'll go ahead and put that up as a timestamp if you want to check that out. Now I'm going to be going in and doing the lips. I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. lip liner. This is the Nabella Noir collection. And then I'm also going to be taking the Milani lipstick. This is the matte one in the shade Innocence. For lip gloss, I'm going to be taking the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Sky Pink. Set the face, I'm going to be going in with the Madison Beer Seal the Deal Luminous Setting Spray. Now for the hair portion, I'm going to be going in and separating my hair so I can go ahead and start curling it. And I'm just going to take this in like 1 to 1.5 inch sections, and then I'm taking my Hot Tools 1 inch curling iron and I'm just going to curl all of my hair. So as you can see, I'm going to be sectioning it again. I have to section my hair into 3 parts when I'm curling it because my hair is so thick. You might only have to do 2 if your hair is a little bit thinner than mine. Then I'm taking this comb. I'm just gonna find my middle part and comb it. The comb is the easiest way to do that. And then I'm going in and taking out the front pieces. So I just sectioned that out with my comb, and I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. And then I end up clipping those pieces together so I can finish the rest of the hairstyle. Now I'm gonna be going in and creating the pigtails. Here I'm just sectioning my hair out a little bit more because it was uneven, and then I'm going to go ahead and secure it with my ponytail. Then I'm just going to be repeating those same steps on the other side. Okay, pretty much this whole thing I did a voiceover, but my camera did die, so I'm just gonna check in and tell you guys what I did. So I ended up just taking the 2 pieces, and I didn't have to recurl them or anything like that. The 2 front pieces, I just went in, re-separated them. I did go in and use some hairspray, and that was pretty much it after I curled it. So I didn't do too much. I just used a light holding hairspray. And yeah, I feel like it came out pretty good. I mean, mine might not be as like smooth as hers, but it's pretty similar. I think this is such a cute hairstyle. I love it. Probably a little bit old to be rocking this, but all right, guys. So that is going to complete this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys at my next one very soon. Bye.